Just days before turning 29, the internet lost one of its boldest voices, Rollingray. On September 3, 2025, the world was stunned by the heartbreaking news that Juan Raymond Harper, known to millions as Rollingray, had died at the age of 28, only 2 days before his birthday. His mother confirmed the news in a tearful Facebook post, writing, "It is with a heavy, heavy heart that I let you know that my son Ray at I Am Rollingray has gone home to be with the Lord. I thank everyone who has called or texted. This is going to be a long road." Ray wasn't just a social media star, he was a cultural force. Despite living with paralysis since childhood, he branded himself as the most famous boy in a wheelchair and built a massive following on TikTok and Instagram with his raw honesty, razor-sharp humor, and viral one-liners. His unfiltered personality quickly earned him a place on reality TV. From MTV's Catfish, Trolls and Divorce Court to Zeus Network's Bobby I Love You, with over 440,000 Instagram followers. His slang, catchphrases, and unapologetic attitude made him an icon for Gen Z and a voice within the Black, disabled, and LGBTQ+ communities. Ray also faced incredible battles. He survived a 2021 fire accident caused by his wig, a near-fatal case of COVID-19 and coma in 2022, and life-threatening pneumonia and blood infection in 2024. Through it all, he kept posting, famously declaring, "It never gave dead." Every time rumors spread about his health, tributes flooded social media. The moment news broke, fellow reality star Bobby Lights and writer George M. Johnson Garson were among the first to honor him, praising Ray's fearless authenticity and the way he brought laughter even in the darkest moments. Rollingay's passing is more than the loss of an influencer. It's the loss of a fighter who turned pain into comedy, setbacks into motivation, and visibility into power. His legacy will live on in his catchphrases, his videos, and the community he inspired. Do you think Rollingay's unapologetic personality changed the way we view influencers? Or will his legacy be misunderstood over time?